1, 2, 3.
Tama-tama to pagdating sa apik. Lagyan na naman ang tubig.
Okay.
O, di naman sa kabila. You want to take us picture? You want?
Oh, yeah.
Excuse me, at please. Photographer.
I think much best. One with the hat, one without. So you have an option. Oh, nice. Take off your hat. 1, 2, cheese.
Iuwi mo na yan, Mare. Mare. Iuwi.
Picture you guys or?
Iuwi mo na yan.
No, it's okay.
You guys want a picture?
We are okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Iuwi mo na yan, Mare.
Have a good one.